Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Toyota Camry dashboard using an easy method. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal kit and a 10mm socket. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. Then, gently pry off the side dash trim panels and remove the glove box assembly. This clears the way for accessing hidden fasteners. Next, focus on the center console. You'll need to remove the various trim pieces surrounding the shifter and the shifter bezel itself. Once those are out, you can access the screws holding the radio unit in place. Carefully unscrew it and gently pull the radio forward. Remember to disconnect all the electrical connectors from the back of the unit before setting it aside. Now let's tackle the instrument cluster. First, remove the bezel surrounding it, then carefully unscrew and pull out the cluster itself, disconnecting its wiring. With these components out, you'll start to see the main dashboard mounting screws. Take your time to locate all of them, including any hidden fasteners that might be behind air vents or other small trim panels. Patience here prevents damage. With all fasteners and components removed, the dashboard assembly should now be ready to lift out. Take your time and have a helper if possible, as it can be bulky. Double-check that all wiring harnesses are disconnected to avoid any snags or damage during removal. And hey, if you're looking to improve your financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.